In 2025, we were all excited to build our first AI agent. It was novel. It was a cool assistant that could draft an email or maybe pull a report from NetSuite. Fast forward to June 2026, and the novelty has been replaced by massive operational headaches. Enterprises aren't running one agent anymore. They're running swarms. We have agents for procurement, agents for SecOps, and agents that exist just to check the math of the agents that pull data from Snowflake. But here is the multi-million-dollar problem. Managing 1,000 AI agents shouldn't require a 1,000-person operations team. If you have to babysit your autonomous workforce, they aren't autonomous. They're just expensive, non-deterministic interns. An unmanaged agent is an employee. It's a liability with a high-speed connection. Today, we're talking about constrained decoding, the only way to ensure your agentic swarm stays deterministic and doesn't hallucinate its own business logic. Let's get into it. Hello, this is John Turns from the Execution Overhype podcast presented by Seisan. Before we look at the software leash that keeps your swarm in check, I want to invite you to join our community. In 2026, governance is the new growth. If you want to know how to scale your output without scaling your human headcount to manage the AI, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. The reason agents fail in production today is unstructured chaos. When you ask a general purpose large language model to process an invoice, it might give you a beautiful paragraph one day and a raw CSV the next. In a swarm of 1,000 agents, that inconsistency is a system failure. The fix for June 2026 is constrained decoding. Instead of letting the AI choose any word it wants from its billions of possibilities, we use tools like guidance or outlines to force the model to follow a strict JSON schema. The model is physically unable to output a character that doesn't fit your predefined structure. If the schema says price must be a number and vendor ID must be a UUID, the model cannot hallucinate a string of text like I think the price is around $10. It simply isn't an option in its probability map. We're seeing the rise of the manager agent. This isn't just another chatbot. It's a specialized small language model whose only job is to monitor the JSON outputs of the worker agents. It doesn't read the text for vibes. It validates the schema for deterministic accuracy. As these agents work through long tasks, they suffer from context rot, where they forget the original instruction. By using JSON enforcement, we keep the context grounded in data, not in the model's wandering imagination. At Seisan, we tell our clients, don't build your agents, build your rails. The managerial bottleneck happens because companies try to manage AI like humans. They hold stand-ups for their prompt engineers. That doesn't scale. The strategy for 2026 is moving from human oversight to algorithmic governance. You don't write a prompt until you've defined the data schema. If you can't define what success looks like in JSON, the agent shouldn't be running. Every agent in your swarm needs its own machine identity. As we saw in the banking breaches last month, the API key is the new perimeter. Your manager agent must have the authority to kill a worker agent's process if it deviates from the schema. It's better to have a failed task than a successful hallucination that costs you $50,000 in a bad procurement deal. Operational velocity. This is how you win. You stop hiring managers to watch the AI and start hiring schema engineers to build the environments where AI can't fail. Now it's time for the Tech Reality Score. We're scoring the 2026 crop of swarm governance tools, like the latest releases from Outlines and Guidance AI. Ease of use, 4 out of 10. This isn't a no-code solution. You need to understand state machines and strict data typing. It's a steep learning curve for traditional project managers. Functionality, 10 out of 10. Constrained decoding has effectively solved the hallucination problem for structured tasks. It makes your AI as reliable as a legacy SQL database. Integrations, 9 out of 10. These tools plug directly into your existing Python and TypeScript stacks. They play perfectly with Snowflake and Unity, allowing for high-speed data flow. Value for cost, 9 out of 10. By reducing the human management tax, these tools allow you to run 10 times more agents with the same staff. The ROI is clear. More output, less overhead. Scalability, 10 out of 10. This is the only way to reach a 1,000 agent swarm. Without it, your system will collapse under its own complexity by day 3. Final score, 42 out of 50. Final verdict, execution ready. If you're moving beyond simple chatbots and into true agentic operations, JSON enforcement is the survival blueprint you need. Here's the takeaway. Stop trying to manage your AI with more meetings. Manage it with better code. At Seisan, we don't just build the agents, we build the governance layer that keeps them in line. We ensure your swarm is fast, efficient, and most importantly, governed by your business logic, not a model's whim. If you're ready to take the leash off your productivity while keeping it on your agents, please like and subscribe. Till next time, I'm John Turns, out.